Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring https://www.marcus.com/us/en. This website belongs to Marcus by Goldman Sachs, a platform that offers a variety of financial products and services. Navigating to the site, you'll immediately notice a clean and user-friendly interface. The homepage prominently features their key offerings, typically including high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, and personal loans. Often, they highlight current interest rates and promotional offers, making it easy to quickly assess the potential benefits. Depending on the current market conditions and Marcus's ongoing promotions, you might also see information about their investment products or other financial tools. The site's design emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, with clear calls to action that guide you towards learning more about specific products or applying for them directly. The navigation menu usually provides quick access to different sections of the website, allowing you to delve deeper into the details of each offering. You'll often find resources such as FAQs, customer support contact information, and educational materials to help you make informed financial decisions. Marcus frequently updates its website with new information and offers, so it's worth checking back periodically to stay up to date on the latest opportunities. They strive to provide a transparent and accessible experience, aiming to empower individuals to take control of their finances. Remember to always do your own research and compare options before making any financial commitments. While Marcus offers attractive products, it's crucial to ensure they align with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Hopefully, this overview gives you a better understanding of what you'll find at https://www.marcus.com/us/en.